Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create e-commerce content with BigCommerce, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your BigCommerce account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Products tab. Choose Add to create a new product. Enter the product name in the designated field. Add a detailed description that highlights the features and benefits. Upload high-quality images that showcase the product from different angles. Set a price for your product in the pricing section. Specify the inventory levels to manage stock effectively. Select the appropriate category for better organization. Fill in shipping details, including weight and dimensions. If applicable, add any variants such as size or color. Next, go to the Storefront tab in the dashboard. Select Web Pages to create additional content pages. Click on Add to create a new page for blogs or promotional content. Enter a title that captures the essence of the content. Write engaging copy that informs and encourages action. Incorporate relevant images or videos to enhance the message. Use SEO-friendly keywords naturally within the content. Ensure the page layout is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Once satisfied, click Save to publish the new page. Return to the dashboard and access marketing tools. Utilize email campaigns to announce new products or promotions. Design social media posts that align with your brand image. Schedule regular updates to keep your audience engaged. Monitor your content's performance through analytics offered by BigCommerce. Make adjustments as needed based on customer feedback and engagement metrics. Keep your content fresh and relevant to attract new visitors and retain existing customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.